Let's see, where did I put my beakers now? Did I put them with the conical flasks? No. Maybe I put them with the test tubes. Here they are. Oh, hey honeybee. I didn't see you standing there. You're just in time for something real cool. Come in, come in. Welcome to my little lab. Okay, yes. It might just be the spare room, but to me it's my little lab. Now, come on in. You're about to witness something really cool. That's it. Go ahead. Sit right here. You'll get the best view of the experiment from this spot. Now, tell me, are you ready to see something awesome? Something so incredible it'll blow your mind. 'Cause today I have a fun chemistry trick that'll make you feel like a real scientist. Right, I just need a couple of these, and alright, so here's the plan. We're going to be making elephant toothpaste. Sounds fun, right? It's this crazy foam explosion that happens when we mix a few chemicals together. Yes, I know, don't worry. Nothing's actually going to explode. At least not in a dangerous way. Just lots and lots of foam. Here's the plan. We're gonna be making some elephant toothpaste today. Doesn't that sound fun? I know you don't know what it is, but sounds fun, right? It's this crazy foamy explosion that happens when we mix a few ingredients together. Yes, I remember what happened the last time I had crazy fun experiment, but no, don't worry. Nothing's really going to explode. At least not in a dangerous way. We're just going to have lots and lots of foam created. Honey, I swear, no explosion today. I promise. Alright. First things first. We're going to need our main ingredient for this experiment. This right here. It's hydrogen peroxide. It's the stuff you used to clean my cuts when the glassware exploded last time, remember? Yeah, it's hard to forget, but this stuff is a lot stronger. Now, this alone won't do much. We need something to make the reaction faster. That's where our special ingredient comes in. This is yeast. You know, it's tiny little living organisms. Yes, real living things. They help break down the hydrogen peroxide and speed up the reaction. But first we have to wake them up. Now, you see this warm cup of water? We're just gonna pour in the yeast, give it a stir, and they should be awake. Let's get them ready to work. Now, we have one more ingredient for the little experiment of ours. It's dish soap. This is what makes the reaction super foamy. Oh, and let's add some food coloring into the mixture. This should make it a bit more interesting than the grey we normally see. Alright, now everything is ready. Are you excited? This is what we've been waiting for. Right, here we go. I'm gonna pour the yeast mixture in, and we will count down together. Ready? Oh, yeah. 3, 2, 1. Whoa, look at that. It's growing so fast. It's like a giant worm. Foamy volcano. The yeast is breaking down the hydrogen peroxide super quickly, releasing oxygen gas. That's what's making all the bubbles. Man, it's gonna touch the roof at this rate. Go on, honey. Why don't you touch it? It's not dangerous. It's not toxic. I promise you. Just give it a little touch as it grows. It's warm, right? Yeah, that's because the reaction gives off heat. It's called an exothermic reaction. You just see your face right now. You look like you're having so much fun. Now, isn't this cool? Isn't it cool to see? Chemistry is everywhere. Even something as simple as soap and yeast can create a reaction that looks like magic. But it's not really magic. It's just science doing what it does best. This is actually kind of the same reaction that happens in your body. Your body, your cells mainly, use something called enzymes to speed up chemical reactions, just like the yeast did with the hydrogen peroxide. It's kind of crazy to think about, isn't it? The same kind of science that makes this foam happen is also what's happening inside you at this very moment. Science is kind of cool and beautiful like that when you think about it. Alright. So, what do you think we do with all this foam? Should we try and make a bigger version next time? Maybe one that flows over the side of the table. Or we should just stay here and play with the foam like little kids. You know, I love doing experiments like this. Reminds me of when I was a kid. My parents were used to do this stuff all the time. I used to do it when I was alone, but it wasn't as fun. Having you here just takes it up a notch. I'm really glad that you get enjoyment doing science with me, you know. It's kind of not fun doing things alone, and it sucks even more if your partner just hates it. So I'm really glad to be spending time with you right here in my little lab. I really love doing experiments. Maybe next time we can try another fun experiment together. What do you think? I have baking soda volcanoes, invisible ink. That's always a fun one. Of course, we could do something really messy. Either way, I'm glad you're here. I love you, baby. Thank you for spending time with me.